Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make video on Likee app. So it's very simple. You just need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to App Store or Play Store and download it from there. Here I have already downloaded my Likee app, so click on this. So to make the video, you just need to click on this plus sign which is in the bottom side. Just click on this. So now here you can see in the bottom side photos, videos and super mix. So you are making videos, so you are in your video mode. So now you can just fast by 2x, 3x or 0.5x or 0.3x. So now you can also choose here stickers according to your fill. And here is the timer. You can see in the upside and switch your camera or speed, and you can choose your ratio into Instagram, and you can just use your filter and flash. Just tap on this pink button which is in the bottom side, just record the video and click on the right button and click on next. So in this way you can make video on Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.